Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about structure of C program. Means basic structure. Structure means what? How to write a program. See, generally what is a C? C is a structured programming language. C is a structured programming language. Here you have to know the definition, that is what is function. You have to know what is function, and also you have to know how it used in a C program. C is a structured programming language. C is a collection or set of functions. C program is what? C program is a collection or set of functions. And what is function? Function is a collection of statements which performs a specific task in the program. Now, let us see with one slide here. Basic structure of a C program. These all are the parts of a C program. If you see, what is the first section here? Documentation section. In documentation section, you will see two lines like this. Means this is backslash. If you write any backslash, two backslash, and you write anything that cannot be executed in your program, means what? It is option to give the title. Just to give a title for the program. It is not executed by the program. Whereas in linking section, you will see all the header files. What is the use of header files? To use some functions which are predefined. Okay. Next, in definition section, you can define any value. Here you can see here as defined pi. What is the pi value? 3.143. By defining pi value here, you can use that pi value anywhere in the program. Not only pi value, you can also give the max value is equal to 100, something which you want to use anywhere in the program. Next, if you see here, global declaration section. In the global declaration section, here you will see function. This is the function wide area, float or is equal to. You can declare the data types in a global declaration and functions. Data types and functions can be declared in global declaration section. Coming next after this, you will see main program section. The program will be executed from here. This is the actual main program. In the complete C program, where the main program is there, okay, that will be executed. The functions which are included in this, that will be called when the main program is executing here. Here in main section, you will see declaration section and execution section. Declaration section means what? Say to declare something means data types, which type of data type, like that. Execution means what? If I give a value, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, I will give c is equal to a plus b. Means what? C is equal to 5. That is what execution. After executing only, we will get the C value as 5. Then after main function, you will see subfunctions. After main function, you will see subfunctions. Subfunctions will be included. Subfunctions has to include in the main function. Okay. Here, this is subfunction wide area. In this is a data type. Okay. Here one statement has given, printf the area of the cycle is some value has given. So when the main program executes this function, this function will be executed. Okay. Next, you can see here structure of C program. To write a simple C program, as you are beginners for this, you just remember you have to write a header. Header means what? Header files which you want to use. That this is master header file you have to include in your C program. Then after this is the main function. Okay. This is the value which you can will return. Okay, here if you don't want to return any value, you can give it to a void, VIOD. Void means you are not returning any value. Here variable declaration means what? The data types you can declare. In later classes we will learn about what is data type and what are functions. Okay, what are the each and every statement we will see. Okay, in body section we will give the actual function. Printf is also a function which is used to print. Okay, return value is what? If you want to return any value, this is the data type. Integer means what? A number data type. So we are returning return 0 is equal to return value we are returning. Let us see with one small program to print some text. Okay, these are line by line statements. So function is what? A set of statements. Let us write a small program to print something. So first I am including header file stdio.h means what? A standard input output header file. Okay, then after I am writing just direct main function, void main. Then after directly I am giving printf function here. In printf function you have to open the brace. If you are giving here double quotes, the text will be printed in a printf function. Okay, here I will write a text. We are BCom first year students. We are BCom first year student. This is a statement. After closing this with the closing brace, you have to close it with semicolon. Remember, in each and every statement in C program will be closed only when you will give here this symbol will be given. Okay, semicolon will be given so that it will understand what that is the end of the particular statement. After that, just we are become first year students, just you can close it. So after closing this, what you will get when you comparing and executing, we will see when we are doing programs in the lab. Okay, this will be printed on your screen. Okay, that's it for the day. In the next class we will see all the header files and what is the use of each and every function. Lot of syllabus is there. Okay, this is a basic structure. Thank you for the day. We'll see you in the next class.